In this video, I'm going to share with you why I use Zillow drone videos or offer Zillow drone videos with my real estate marketing package. A couple of years ago, I had the opportunity to be certified as a Zillow certified photographer. And being a Zillow certified photographer allows me to be on the directory of Zillow. So that way, anybody looking for real estate photography or drone work, they're able to go to Zillow's directory and find me along with the list of other people in the area. And what sets me apart is that I'm able to upload videos to Zillow, and Zillow actually encourages that. And so what I'm able to do is create anywhere between a 30-second to a 60-second video that's drone only to promote your listing. And Zillow has mentioned that they do promote listings with videos more so than the other listings that don't have video. And what that does for the benefit of them, it keeps traffic onto their page, so it retains the traffic a lot better, and that's why they promote it more. So when you get the real estate marketing package from us, we create that 30 to 60 second drone video for Zillow, and we'll upload it on your behalf. Now, the thing is, whenever you upload your listing onto the MLS, it has to be syndicated to Zillow. And so when it's syndicated to Zillow, we then verify that it's on Zillow, and we get the Zillow ID, and then we upload the video to Zillow, and then they'll take that video and they'll upload it to their platform. And that takes about anywhere between 24 and 48 hours for them to actually get to that point. And with that, your listing will have a video tour on there, which is basically the drone video. And it gets you two things. One, it gets your listing boosted on Zillow. So you're actually doing a lot more than the average listing on Zillow for your sellers. So now your seller's listing will have more exposure. And the second thing is, we'll co-brand it with our branding and your branding, so that way you get exposure on Zillow. And so it's a good way for everybody to win, the seller, the agent, and us, in order to get more exposure on Zillow and to help promote and sell that house faster. So what we show in that Zillow video is the home from the exteriors. We show the lot and where it fits into the community, and we also get any supplemental footage such as parks or splash pads or anything that's included in the HOA, in order to show kind of where all this house sits and what's around it for a lifestyle point of view. And so this helps sell the house a lot better, in that it's not just photos, but it's also drone and aerial, so that way the buyer or potential buyer is able to see exactly where this is located. If you want a Zillow drone video for your listing, around this video is a link to go ahead and book your next shoot. Go ahead and click that link, book your next shoot, fill out the application, and I'll chat with you soon.